They say Chuck a go-getter, yeah, I'm a overachiever. In college, I played football, I was a wide receiver. Ain't got shit to do with this, but I just thought that I should miss it. Ay, don't be playing me 50, don't be moving iffy. I peep all the
Hey man, new videos on the way. Let's go. What's up, it's your boy Shy. We back with another vid. This video we gonna talk about barber content versus client content. The difference, cause a lot of y'all are trying to be content creators that are teaching, and then a lot of y'all are trying to be content creators, but you trying to get clients. So I'm about to break down the difference. It's my own opinion. Don't get mad at me. This is my own opinion. But barber content versus client content, we gonna break it down. All right. So if you're on YouTube, right, and you're making videos like instructional videos where you're teaching something, you giving out gems, you're teaching how to do a fade, how to do a lineup, you're teaching how to get the hair a certain way, like you're teaching other barbers. If you're teaching other barbers in any shape, form, or fashion, that's barber content. So your audience is barbers. You want to teach other barbers things that you know, right? So you're not really looking for clients. You're trying to teach barbers how to get on the level of greatness. You're trying to teach other barbers to get on your level. You're trying to give gems to barbers. You're trying to give tips and tricks to barbers. You're trying to tell barbers things that they may not know. When they type on YouTube and they search how to do a fade, how to do a blurry fade, how to set a guideline, and your video pop up, the client don't care about that. The client doesn't care about the inches of the fades, the distance of the fade, how to get it. They don't care because they're here for the haircut. Your audience is barbers. So if you're starting YouTube, like I said, and you don't know your niche, you need to see what type of videos you're trying to drop. I say if you're trying to build clientele, you really go on Instagram, TikTok, use that social media, them other social media platforms. Because why would a client want to know how to do a fade? That's what they coming to you for, right? They're coming to the barber to pay for the fade, not to learn how to do the fade. That's the whole point of going to you as a barber, right? So like I said, if you're teaching others how to do things a certain way, if you're giving game, if you're giving courses, if you're giving information out that will help another barber cut better, or if you're giving gems to help a barber be a better barber overall, that's barber content. Now let's get into client content. Like I said, a lot of people get confused. A lot of people just don't know, and this is my own opinion. You got Instagram, TikTok, right? After your cut is done, 9 times out of 10, what are you gonna do? You're gonna post it on TikTok. You're gonna post it on Instagram. You're gonna post the final result after you edited the picture. You're gonna post it on the gram. You want people to see the cut you've done. On TikTok, you're gonna post your process. You're gonna post, oh, step 1, they had a messy head. They came in with a messed up head. We combed it out. You're gonna show your steps on TikTok. You're gonna show your progress of the cut on TikTok. You're gonna post it up. Once you post it up, your fans, your audience, potential clientele, they can see how you cut. They can see the steps you take in a video format. Even with YouTube, the client doesn't really care about, oh, you start with a guideline, then you go no guard open, then you go one guard open. They don't care about it. If a client just so happens to go on YouTube and see a video, 9 times out of 10, they want to see the end of the video, or they're gonna look at the thumbnail. And if they do click on the video, they're not gonna watch the whole video for the instructional tutorial. They don't care about the tutorial. They want to see the cut. If the cut look fire to them, if the cut looks good to them, they're gonna see where they can book you at. That's another client. See, a lot of people get that confused. Like when we get on YouTube and alright, boom. Let's say we are doing tutorial. Let's say you're a barber and you don't know if your content is for barbers or for clients. Let's say you drop a vid, right? And YouTube is kind of in the middle, because with a YouTube video, not only can you show the end result of your cut and show what your skills are, but you can also show barbers that want to learn how to cut the same way that you do. So with YouTube is kind of like in the middle, and it's all about your delivery for your video. You know what I mean? Now let's say you have a video and the video is called barber tutorial how to do a high fade. That's barber content. Whereas you have a video saying these are my cuts throughout the year. That's client content. Whatever the consumer wants, whatever the consumer is gravitating towards, whatever the content is pushed towards to, that's who the content is for. A lot of us do know, but a lot of us don't know. Especially the beginner barbers. Like we're posting videos, we're doing tutorial, and we're wondering why we're not getting clients. We're doing all these videos, how to do fade, how to do a low drop fade, how to do a tape. We're doing all these videos and we're wondering why we're not getting clientele. It's because we're trying to reach barbers. When we make these videos, we're trying to reach barbers. So my tip is, if you want to do both, my tip is, alright, if you are on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and all other social medias, Instagram, do your YouTube video. Post your YouTube video. Go on TikTok. Show your process of the messy head and the process of the cut. Post, boom, put that on TikTok. Show a picture of your cut on Instagram. Let me break that down again. There is a hack. There is a way to use all three. You can implement all three so you can have barber content and client content. Let me break that down one more time, because I don't think y'all heard me. You have a client, right? Your client comes in, right? Have your setup for your YouTube video. So let's say you're recording on your phone. Have your phone set up for your YouTube video. Do your YouTube video as normal. Alright, boom. While you're doing your YouTube video, take a second, take some clips, either with the phone you're recording on or a separate phone. Take a separate phone or camera or whatever the case may be. Do some clips, like for TikTok, right? Do some transitions. Oh, they came in with a crazy haircut, or they have long hair. You pull the hair up off their head with shears and you're about to cut it. Something crazy. Make yourself stand out. Boom. Go back to your YouTube. Finish the YouTube video. Alright, and as you're doing the YouTube video, get some transitions for your TikTok. Once the cut is done, once you have your TikTok clips and your YouTube video is done, and you have your TikTok videos as well, you're gonna take a picture, alright, of the finished cut. You're gonna take that picture. That picture is gonna be used for Instagram. You're gonna put that up on the ground. So this way you can implement all three, so you're not missing out on anything. Alright, that's my gems I want to give y'all, because a lot of y'all feel like, oh, like, I don't know what to do. That's what you do. You take the whole cut and you break it down in a different social media category. That's all you do. And once you have all three set up, once your YouTube set up, your TikTok set up, your Instagram set up, once you have sent it off to all three and Facebook and all your social medias, promote. That's a key factor. You gotta promote. Once you break it down into those categories, that's when you go ahead and promote. And this way you have your barber content and you have your client content, and you have the best of both worlds. So you're not really dragged into, okay, I want to do this, but it's not that. You could do both. If you found this video helpful in any type of way, I appreciate you for watching, and I appreciate you for showing love. Alright, it's your boy Shy Fades. Let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see. We dropping consistently, and yeah, I appreciate y'all again. Bang!
I know is not enough.